Everyone, welcome to my channel Techshot.
In this video, I'll tell you about graphic designing. What is graphic designing? Why should we learn it? How should we learn it? And is degree required? Is any certificate required for learning graphic designing? And what is the salary? And how we can apply for the jobs in this career if you want it full-time career? So, starting our topic, that what is graphic designing? The art of real communication is called graphic designing, and you have seen many signals for the road when you are driving through some highways that parking or the potteries that flammable signs you have seen, and you have seen some illustrating that our my picture would be a cartoonic picture, or that type of this stuff are included in graphic design. There are many types of graphic design like logo designing, 3D modeling, animation, whiteboard animations, photo editing are all involved in graphic designing. Graphic design is one of the most demandable skill in 2021, and its demand will increase by as the companies are hiring graphic designers for designing some structures. Graphic designing is involved in our daily life from you can say from road signals to schematic structures. Where we should learn graphic designing. There are many YouTube channels that offer graphic designing courses, but they are not professional courses. So if you want to learn graphic design from home, you should go to some software platform like Udemy and Skillshare. And but these courses are paid, so you should have to pay some money to get these softwares and so learn these softwares. Or you can do torrent website. You know what torrent websites. So if you are a first year student and you don't have money to buy these courses and afford these software as they are paid, what software do you need to learn graphic designing? So the most demandable softwares for learning graphic designer are Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe XD, and Adobe InDesign. Photoshop. First of all, talk about Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop is the most popular photo editing tool nowadays because it containing masking, layers, etc. So we can edit all type of photos that look different in soft after editing. So this is a initial. If you want to learn graphic design, you should learn Photoshop first. Then we can say talk about Adobe Illustrator. Adobe Illustrator is important for designing logos, vector graphic images, and like these stuffs. So Adobe Illustrator is made for is a vector based software, and Photoshop is a raster based photo editing software. So the next came Adobe XD. Adobe XD is a prototype web interface prototype app that enables you to do prototypes, create a web interfaces, UI and UX using Adobe XD. And then comes Adobe InDesign, that important for brochure designing, columns, and other graphic designing. So these are four major software that if you want to learn graphic design, you should learn these first. That how you can apply for the job after learning graphic designing. So after learning graphic design, you can start your YouTube channel, or offer courses on Udemy and Skillshare.com and earn money by teaching others. And the other opportunity for the job is that you can do freelancing. For example, freelancing on the platform like Fiverr, Freelancer, and Upwork.com can pay up to $12 per hour or $12 per project. Both can differ depending upon the client you get. There are vast opportunity of graphic design nowadays. Is degree required for learning graphic designing and taking a job? So no skill, no degree is required, and no certificate is required, because the certificate that are made are designed in graphic designing, so no one will believe you if you show them some certificate and they said it is fake and you have created by your own. So you should have a strong portfolio for if you want to have a graphic designer on per month. So graphic designer per month on up to $20 per project and up to $150 per month, and up it can go maximum to $600 per month, depending upon the hours and the client you get. So these are all about graphic designing, and if you want to watch my other videos, go to my channel, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button if you like this video and get any information about graphic designing, and share it with your friends. Thank you.